Hi children, good morning. Today in this class we are going to solve some problems in exercise 9.3. All of you open page number 242 and observe the first problem, that is a chord of a circle of radius 10 cm subtends a right angle at the center. Find the area of the corresponding minor segment and major segment. Okay. Children, according to this problem, given that there is a circle and the radius of that circle is 10 centimeter and a chord in that circle subtends a right angle at the center. That means there is a chord in that circle and the angle made by the chord at the center of the circle is 90 degrees. So by using that information we have to find the area of the minor segment and area of the major segment. Okay. So first of all, draw the figure to the given data. So look at here, this is the circle of radius 10 centimeters and there is a chord in that circle, that is PQ is the chord. Okay, and this PQ chord subtends 90 degrees at the center. The here center is O and angle made by this chord at the center. So look at here, so PQ is the chord and the angle made by the chord at center is this one. So this angle is 90 degrees. Okay, so by using this data we have to find the area of minor segment and major segment. Minor segment means a chord divides the chord or any secant of a circle divides the circle in two segments. If the area is smaller, then that is said to be minor segment. If area is larger, then that is said to be major segment. So here PQ is the chord, that's why this chord divides the circle in two parts. So below the chord and above the chord. Okay, if you observe this, below this chord the area is smaller, that's why this is the smaller segment, and above the chord there is a large area. So look at here, this is the large area, so that's why this is called major segment. So chord divides the circle into two parts. So this one is one part and this one is second part. So here area is smaller, that's why this is minor segment. Here area is larger, that's why this is major segment. Okay, so we have to find the area of the minor segment, so that is shaded region is minor segment and the remaining part is major segment. Okay, so look at here, how to find the area of the minor segment and area of the major segment. Area of the minor segment, first of all write the given data, that is angle subtended by the chord at center is 90 degrees and radius of that circle is 10 centimeters. So first we are going to find area of the minor segment. Area of the minor segment, so look at here, this is the minor segment. If you want to calculate the minor segment, so take this part, take this entire part. So if you cut this part and if you place this separately, you can observe this is a sector. Okay, this is in the form of sector. Now if you want to calculate the area of the only minor segment, you have to subtract the area of triangle from this sector. Okay, so just observe here, if you cut this part by scissor and if you want to cut this part, you have to cut the triangle from the entire sector. Okay, so in that way, if you want to calculate the area of the minor segment only, you have to subtract area of the triangle from the entire area of the sector. Okay, that's why area of the minor segment equal to area of the sector POQ. Okay, this is the sector, and from this you have to subtract area of the triangle POQ. So that's why area of the minor segment is area of the sector POQ minus area of the triangle POQ. Area of the sector formula is x degrees by 360 degrees into pi r square. So already you wrote the formula and you read the formula. So just remember once again. So what is the formula of area of sector? Area of sector formula is x degrees by 360 degrees into pi r square. Here x degrees means angle subtended by the sector, angle subtended by the chord at the center. So here x degrees is 90 degrees. That's why 90 by 360 into pi means 3.14, r means 10 into 10. That's why x degrees by 360 degrees into pi r square. R means 10 here. That's why 10 into 10. minus area of the triangle POQ. You know that area of the triangle is half base into height. So this is the right angle triangle. That's where the two perpendicular sides are one is base and another one is height. That's why half base is 10, similarly height is 10. Okay, if you simplify this, the answer will be 78.5, and if you simplify this, the answer will be 50. That is 78.5 minus 50 is 28.5 cm square. So this is the area of the minor segment. And if you want to calculate the area of the major segment, you have to subtract the minor segment from entire circle. So that's why area of the minor segment equal to area of the total circle minus area of the minor segment. Area of the circle formula is pi r square. Here pi is 3.14, r is 10. That's why r square means 10 into 10 minus 28.5. We have already found this area of the minor segment is 28.5. So that's why if you simplify this, the answer will be 314 minus 28.5. So the answer will be 285.5 cm square. Okay, so write the corresponding formulas here. So this is the formula, area of the minor segment, that is x degrees by 360 degrees, area of the sector x degrees by 360 degrees into pi r square, and this is half base into height. Okay.